In JavaScript, getContext is a method specifically associated with the HTML5 less than canvas greater than element. It's used to obtain a drawing context on the canvas, which provides the tools and functions needed to actually draw graphics. Here's a breakdown of key facts about getContext. Purpose. The primary function of getContext is to give you access to the drawing API for the canvas. It essentially sets up the environment where you can then use methods to draw shapes, text, images, and more. Context types. GetContext takes a string argument that specifies the type of context you want. The most common are 2D. This provides a 2D rendering context, which is used for basic drawing operations like lines, rectangles, circles, and text. WebGL or WebGL2. These provide a 3D rendering context using WebGL, Web Graphics Library, which is based on OpenGLS. This allows for more advanced 3D graphics and hardware acceleration. Usage. You typically use getContext after getting a reference to a less than canvas greater than element in your HTML. Here's an example. Return value. GetContext returns a drawing context object, e.g., canvas rendering context 2D for 2D, WebGL rendering context for WebGL. If the context type is not supported or the canvas has already been set to a different context mode, it returns null. Optional attributes. GetContext can also take an optional second argument, an object containing context attributes. These attributes can be used to customize the context creation. For example, with a 2D context, you can use the alpha attribute to specify whether the canvas has an alpha channel, transparency. Same context instance. Subsequent calls to getContext on the same canvas element with the same context type will always return the same drawing context instance. It's not possible to get a different drawing context object on a given canvas element. In summary, getContext is essential for working with the HTML5 canvas. It provides the necessary interface to draw graphics, and the type of context you request determines the capabilities available to you.